Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.
Good morning, respective sir and ma'am. Myself Om Sakre from Electrical Engineering, second year diploma. Our project is based on collect the information of substation equipments. Present by Om Sakre, Om Mane, Praveen Vairagad, Rohit Bade and Mahesh Mokar, and guided by Professor Mr. Ajit Yedge sir and Professor Mit Raus ma'am. What is the purpose of electrical substation? A substation is a part of electrical generation and transmission and distribution system. Substation transform voltage from high to low or the reverse or perform any of several other important function between the generating station and consumer. Electrical power may flow through several substations at different voltage levels. A substation may include transformer to change the voltage level between high transmission voltage and low distribution voltage, or the interconnection of two different transmission voltage. Substation may be owned and operated by an electrical utility or may be owned by a large industrial or commercial customer. Generally, substations are unintended rely on SCDA for remote supervision and control. The word substation comes from the day before the distribution system became a grid. As central generation station became large smaller generating plants were converted to distribution station, receiving their energy supply from large plant instead of using their own generators. The first substation were connected to only one power station where the generators were housed and were subsidiaries of that power station. Types of substation equipments: first, transformer; second, circuit breaker; third, isolators; fourth, current transformer and voltage transformer; fifth, bus bar; sixth, earthling switch; seventh, relay; eighth, lightning arrestor; ninth, HRC fuse; 10th, auto recloser. Working of each equipment. First, transformer. Transformers are necessary for substation for stepping up and stepping down of AC voltage. Besides the transformer, the electrical substation have several other electrical equipments including bus bar, circuit breakers, isolator, surge arrestor, CTS, VTS, shunt reactors and shunt capacitors. Second, circuit breaker. A circuit breaker is a device capable of breaking an electrical circuit under normal and abnormal conditions such as short and open circuits. The breaker can operate automatically and clear faults current safely and quickly. They are switching and current interrupting device. Generally, circuit breakers comprise of fixed and movable contacts. Using the operating mechanism, coils can be separated. Third, isolators, a switching device which can be opened or closed under no current condition. It provides isolation of a circuit for the purpose of maintenance. Isolators are disconnected switch which can be used for disconnecting circuit breakers, and isolators can be opened after the circuit breaker. After opening the isolator, the earthling switch can be closed to discharge the trapped electrical charges to the ground. Fourth, current transformer and potential transformer. The current transformer and voltage transformer are used for the transforming the electrical current and electrical voltage to a lower value for the purpose of measurement, protection and control. Current transformer. The current ratio of current transformer is generally high and voltage ampere capacity is relatively low as compared with that of the power transformer. Voltage transformer. The voltage ampere capacity of potential transformer is low and the voltage ratio is relatively high. The protective relay are connected in the secondary circuits of CTS and PTS. Fifth, bus bar. Bus bar are conductors to which several circuits are connected. Bus bar is either flexible or grid. Flexible bus bar are made of ACSR conductors and are supported on strength insulators. Grid bus bar are made up of aluminum tubes and are supported on post insulators. Sixth, earthlink switch. It is the switch which connected a conductor to the earth. So as they discharge the charges on the conductor to the earth, an earthlink switch is generally installed on the frame of the isolators. Relay. It is an automatic device which closes its contact when the activating quantities reach a certain predetermined magnitude phase. 8. Lightning arresters. The substation equipment connected between the conductor and ground to discharge the excessive voltage to earth. The surge arrestor diverts the over voltage to earth and protect the electrical substation equipment from over voltage surge. Auto reclosers. Automatic closing of the circuit breaker after auto recloser's opening. Auto recloser is provided to restore the service continuously after interrupting transient fault. High voltage circuit breaker used for controlling overhead transmission lines and distance protecting scheme for line protection and provided with such features. 10th, HRC fuse. High ripting capacity trigger fuse is used for overcurrent protecting of low voltage and high voltage circuit. Thank you.